Sri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 4th Subject Science.
Good morning. You are welcome to 4th Standard Science online class. This is the first online class for you. This is your science book. The first lesson is food. Food, our basic need. In this lesson, we will learn about food groups, roughage and water, balanced diet, preservation of food, rest, posture and exercise. Okay, first let us see the food groups.
All living beings need food. Why do we need food? We need food to stay alive, to get energy, to obtain nutrients, to develop a healthy and active body, and to repair our body. Without food, we can't live. We need energy for studying, playing, walking, and talking. Nutrients are the components of food required by our body. Food protects us from diseases and keep us fit and healthy. It repairs the damaged cells also. Okay, let us see the food groups. The substances that are needed by our body for energy, good health and proper growth are called nutrients. The substances that are needed by our body for energy, good health and proper growth are called nutrients. The main nutrients found in food items are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. The main nutrients found in food items are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates and fats are energy giving food. Proteins are body building food. Vitamins and minerals protect us from diseases and keep us fit and healthy. First we see the carbohydrates. Food items rich in carbohydrates are called energy giving food. Example, rice, wheat, corn, potatoes, etc. People who do a lot of physical work such as laborers, farmers and sports persons need a lot of carbohydrates to give them more energy. Next, proteins. Food items rich in proteins are called bodybuilding food. Food items rich in proteins are called bodybuilding food. Example, milk, egg, cheese, fish, meat, beans and pulses. They are needed for the growth and repair of our body, new cells to grow and also for building muscles. Young children need more protein rich food than adults because they are still growing. Next, fat. Fat also energy giving food. Example, nuts, oil, ghee and butter. They provide more energy than food items rich in carbohydrate. They also help to keep the body warm. Our body needs very little fat. Extra fat is stored in the body for later use. Then vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are called protective food because they protect us from diseases and keep us fit and healthy. Example, fresh fruits, vegetables, milk, egg and peanuts. Vitamins A, B complex, C, D, E and K are some important vitamins required by our body. Vitamin A improves eyesight and keeps our skin healthy. Vitamin B complex needed for various functions of the body. Vitamin C helps to fight infections and keeps our gums and teeth healthy. Calcium, iron, potassium, iodine, and sodium are examples of minerals. Calcium helps in the formation of bones and teeth. Examples of calcium rich food items are milk, curd, almond, and cheese. Iron helps in the formation of blood. Iron rich food items are green leafy vegetables, dry fruits, and legumes.
Next, roughage and water. Apart from all the food groups, emphasis should also be given to dietary fiber and water, as they too play an important role in our diet. Our body cannot digest certain substances found in plant foods. These indigestible substances form roughage or fiber. Food items such as cereals, corn, green leafy vegetables, and fruits contain fiber that cannot be digested by our body. The part of the plant food that cannot be digested is called dietary fiber or roughage. It helps to remove waste materials from our body. Hence, dietary fiber is very important. Next, water. Water is also a very important part of our diet. Our body needs a sufficient amount of water to stay healthy. Water helps the body to digest food, absorb nutrients properly, and get rid of waste. Almost 3/4 of our body weight is water. Our body needs about 3 liters of water every day. About 1 liter comes from the things that you drink and food you eat. So you should drink about 2 liters of water a day. Okay. The remaining part of the lessons will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.